and in this video I'm going to give you a quick demo of Revyoo. So a few months back we stumbled upon few videos on YouTube which were getting millions and millions of views and which are connected to Amazon affiliate links, and people were making a lot of money using that kind of videos. So here are a few of the videos that I am talking about. You can see one of the video, it has over 4 million views. This has over 337,000 views, over 201,000 views, and over 12 million views. So we thought, why not build a app which will automate building this kind of videos so we can scale it to a huge number. So that's why the Revyoo app is built, and I'm going to show you a little insight how you can create these kind of videos in just few minutes and few clicks. So this is the main app, this is the dashboard. All you need to do is click on create new, enter the name of the campaign, maybe just say Gaurav. Let's proceed. So I want to compare two iPhones, iPhone XR and iPhone XS. So I'm going to type iPhone XR here, press enter, and here we will see the competition analysis of iPhone XR. So Google competition, YouTube competition, and this is video is now in top 10 in YouTube, and this is product queue. So the interesting thing about product queue is here you can create 3 different kind of videos. For example, if you are creating a review video like iPhone XR review, you just need to add one product here. If you are doing a comparison video like this one, iPhone XR versus iPhone XS, so there will be 2 products here, iPhone XR and iPhone XS. And if you are doing a list kind of videos, so you can add like 5 to 10 products here in the product queue. So for iPhone XR we have all the results from Amazon, we have results from eBay and from Walmart. From Amazon you can sort it according to the sales rank. The better the sales rank is, it means it's selling really well. So for this I am going to select one of the product XR. So this is a main offer, this is the main offer. Let's select this one. Now this is added to my product queue, and here you can also check the product on Amazon, what the product is actually. Same with eBay and Walmart. Next I want to add iPhone XS here. So I'm going to type iPhone XS. Now I have results for iPhone XS as well in the competition analysis and in the product area. So these are all the results related to iPhone XS. So iPhone XS results are also added here. Now you can see there are 20 results, 18 results for iPhone XS and for iPhone XR. So I need the iPhone XS. So this is iPhone XS. I'm just going to add it by clicking on the plus button. Now this is added to my product queue. Next thing, I just need to click on proceed video, and it's done. And this is a video you just created. These are all the slides that we have for the product for iPhone XR and for product XS. This is pretty quick. Okay, now all the fields here are editable. For example, the main screen which says, in this video we're going to see top products. In this video you're going to see the, maybe you can just write iPhone XR versus iPhone XS, which is the best, and it's there. And again, if you want to add your website name here, you can add that as well. Find discounts and deals, something like that. Okay, you can change the background color, you can change the text color, change the font family, and all those things. But we are going to keep it clean here for the demo purpose. And here we can select the transition. So there are a number of transactions we have. You can select what kind of transaction you want for per slide. Next thing is we can select the audio track. You can even upload your own audio track if you want to, or you can record your own voice for this video. And then you can select the theme. We have 7 themes here. So theme is basically the background of these videos. So let me show you a different theme here, maybe theme number 3. Pretty awesome, right? Again, you can have your own theme by uploading your theme from computer or desktop, and you can add your watermark as well if you want to. Okay, this will be added at the bottom right. The next thing is you just need to click on save and proceed, and it will take just few minutes for the video to create, and you will get an email as soon as the video is created. And now you can start creating another video, or you can just wait for the video to get finished. You can see all the videos that you had created in the dashboard section. So this is a video that I created, and let me refresh it if it's completed. Okay, so it's over. Let me show you how you can upload it to YouTube. So this is the video that we just created. We can add a thumbnail here from our desktop, then we can upload it to YouTube. So there is you have to add your YouTube account here actually. So you can enter the product title, let's say iPhone XR versus iPhone XS, which is the best. So this is just a title. You can have your own title. And the next thing is you have the description already written here, and if people want to buy the product, they can go to this link. This is pretty amazing. We build you one page store here. People can go to this link and they will be sent to the product here. This will be your video, and these are all the related iPhone products, iPhone XR and iPhone XS products. This is your product with your affiliate link, and these are other related products with your affiliate link that people can buy. So how amazing is that? Next thing is you need to add the video tags, and we know that having the best text and the right text is very important to get your videos ranked on YouTube. So we have a function called tag search iPhone XR. So it will go to YouTube and find all the top ranking videos, and it will extract the tags. So if you want to add these tags to your video, you can just click on plus. So these tags will be added according to iPhone XR. Now I want to add the tags for iPhone XS. Click on submit again, and it will find me the best tags for iPhone XS. So I'm going to add these tags as well, and now all these tags are added to here. And here, if you want to add your own store link or something, add that, and you can just post it now or you can post it later. And why this is very powerful is if you post it later in YouTube, it's very important that you maintain the frequency of videos. So if you are uploading 3 videos per day, make sure you are uploading 3 videos each and every day. This way YouTube will give you more preference and rank your videos higher, and also help you get more organic views. That's all for the video here. You can just have a look at the video also, which has been created. So I hope you really enjoyed this video, and go and check out the sales page and get your copy today. Thank you so much.